This is the new Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet. So this one just came out recently, and it features a 11 inches screen, touch screen, and it's 2K display. So that's 2000 times 1200 pixels. This one is 64 gig. It's also available in 128 gigs, and it has also the lock screen ad supported version, which is a little bit cheaper than the no lock screen ads. And we're gonna do unboxing of this. So this one is actually octa-core processor, so it's fast. So 4 gigs of RAM, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6. Unboxing of this without further ado, and this one I'm really excited because it's affordable tablet that you might just skip the iPad and so on, but it doesn't have the drawback is that it's only have the Amazon App Store. It doesn't have the Google Play Store, so keep in mind. But later on we're gonna do probably install the Google Play Store on this. That's the tablet right here, and it looks a little bit kind of like the same packaging as, so nothing inside, the same packaging as the HD 10 one. Is actually like a little bit more heavier, and it's packaged like this. Oh, also the camera in the front. So camera at the front is bigger in pixels. So it's 8 megapixel front and back, versus the HD10 is only 2 megapixels front facing and 5 megapixel rear facing camera with 720 HD video recording. This one can go to 1080p HD video recording. So let's open this up, and we're gonna have the charger on the back right here in the package, and we also have, to take out the SIM. I'll probably insert SD card as well. And what's inside the box? This is the hello, so instructions on how to activate your Fire Max and link it to your Amazon account. You can have accessories like a case and a keyboard. Oh, you can also put like micro SD. Oh, that's the micro SD. I thought it was the SIM card. It looks like the same. You can do USB-C, and that's it. So pretty basic in there. So this is the USB cable that you can plug with the charger that comes included. So this is nice to have here, where you can open gently right here, just like that. So you need to buy a case, I guess, because this one doesn't come with a case. And here we go, the sneak peek of the charging right here. You can actually buy the keyboard that attach to the bottom of this, so it's magnetic right here. And I guess it's a speaker on the bottom, and the camera right here on the top. So that's 8 megapixel as well in the front, and speakers right here on top right here. So both. And then the sides, this one doesn't have anything, but on this side you have the power button right here. You have the volume up, volume down, and the USB-C. And this one is the micro SD, expandable to 1 terabyte of storage, so if you run out of storage. So this one has the lock screen ads. So I'm gonna fire it up just to show you guys. So that's so the screen is amazing. So just press on this, the power button, and we're gonna open it up. Neat, right? So this one is 11 inches. Here you go. So it looks the same as here. So home for you right here. There's a lot of apps based on your app interest. It knows that I like to install a lot of kids games. This is pretty a lot of stuff, like there's magazines, there's TV included, Video Prime right here. There's books, computer books, there's movies, So the movies that I hit earlier, so I'm gonna lower the volume a little bit. So see the full screen, just like swipe down. See, like, actually I haven't watched this movie yet. So you have so this is only 8 megapixels, so it's kind of you can see like the display is only like 60 hertz or something. It's not like very very responsive, very fluid. You see, I feel there's a lag because this is an Android, so there's a lag, not like the iPhone or iPad. You can also like choose to do HDR. You can do like night mode as well. So you tap on here, there's night mode. Let's tap on night mode. What's gonna happen? Yeah, so gonna do auto, and there's a grid right here. You can enable, so you can see a small grid, and you can have a timer right here, 3 seconds, 10 seconds. Okay, and you can, right, so to exit this, just tap the round right here. That's the to go back, and you tap the square right here, is, you know, to actually, you know, close any open windows right here. You can close by swiping up like this. So it's front camera right here. Okay, if you actually switch back, we're gonna take a picture of this. Okay. See this? So that's the resolution right here. Okay, so we can go back by swiping from the bottom like this and go back here. Yeah, it's pretty thin. It looks like the Surface, Microsoft Surface. It has the Amazon logo on the back. It has the 8 megapixel camera here. You can attach a keyboard right here. So you can, it's on the side. You can charge on the side. So it's nice. So you can charge while you're using it. Expand the micro SD storage space. Open it again. And this is what the lock screen ad looks like. So the lock screen ad looks like this, and you can actually swipe and then enter your code to get in. You can auto fingerprint. So to do the fingerprint, we're gonna go to settings, and we're gonna go down right here where it says, let's see, security and privacy, and then we're gonna do fingerprint lock. So we're gonna enter the PIN, hit continue. So unlock with fingerprint. Fingerprint enables you to quickly unlock your Fire tablet and verify yourself. So fingerprint is actually on the power button. So we're gonna touch on the fingerprint right here. Right here. So 1, 2. So just like change the position slightly on the right here. There's a fingerprint sensor on here on the power button. So we're gonna do this until it goes to 100%. Hold on a little longer. Okay, so fingerprint added. You can add another fingerprint if you want to use different fingerprint. I'm gonna hit done. So there's one fingerprint added. So now I'm gonna lock it just like this. I'm gonna touch the power button again. And here, that's the lock screen ad right here. So that's a lock screen ad on the Fire Max 11. So you can tap on this. You can play actually. So if you tap on the ads, it's gonna take you to the ads right here. Okay, so you can lock it, unlock it. This is another ad right here. So this is Kindle Unlimited. You can choose to not touch it. So if I touch the ad right here, okay, so it switched another one. You can watch the trailer right here, but it asks you to unlock. So I'm gonna unlock with my fingerprint. So it just opened the right here, the trailer for me and so on. and I'm gonna lock it because I'm very curious about the lock screen ad right here. So Dory right here. So the screen ad is in full. It doesn't really bother me. Lock it. If you like rest your finger on here, it's gonna unlock by itself. So unlock, you see like the lock is unlocked right now. So you can just swipe up and unlock it, right? Close it again. Right here, it's locked right now. And if you rest your finger on here, it's unlocked. So kind of faster to do fingerprint than a password or pin code, but actually you have to do like, you know, unlock it and then swipe it up. So they have advertisement on here. This is what the lock screen ad looks like. I'm gonna go through like different lock screen ads just to show you guys. Okay, unlock. So this one about Kindle books, trailers. So I guess later you're gonna have like, you know, shopping and stuff on here where people can advertise their Amazon product or like their product e-commerce or oh, this one is just Amazon. Okay, so it just like stop. I'm gonna go and then close it. You guys, it's just like, yeah, you cannot touch this, so it's just like ads Amazon. And I guess the non-lock screen, you're gonna be able to put the wallpaper or something on here instead of like ads on here on the Fire Max 11. It's pretty loud, but it's not like, it doesn't have really nice subwoofer. Okay. So cool. So it's pretty bright. It's nice to like play on like a really big screen right here. And this tablet is only like $149 on during sale. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have more sales coming up. Otherwise it's $229 with the lock screen ad. If you don't want lock screen ad, it's $249. So this is to read. You can also like make it hold on, tap the middle of the page to change your font. Right, you can tap on this, tap it, and you can change the font right here to make it bigger or smaller right here. Too big right here. You can resize this, resize the book if you don't. You can change the font as well. And then you can change the brightness right here, and you can do auto brightness. You can do a layout, different layout. Yeah, you can change the color of this. You can do the margin as well, spacing, different spacing, alignment, columns right here, 2 columns, 1 column, and theme. You can change the theme to compact, standard, large, low vision. Oh, this is good. It's pretty big. And you can do more reading ruler, reading progress, text to speech. Oh, this is text to speech, nice. Turn pages with volume controls, so you can use the volume right here to turn right here. And visible clock. You can have page animation. Just enable this just to show you guys page turn animation. So we're gonna do this. All right, so let's save this. And so I'm using like the volume button right here to go through different page right here. So you can also use hands to have animation right here, just like a book. You can do like this. You can read like this. This is a pretty big book for 11 inches. Very easy to read like this. So yeah, so you can read books on here. You can zoom. You can zoom on this or no? No, you have to tap it, and you can go through different page right here. You can have the slider on the bottom to go to the next page, and then go back right here on the top. I think you can search, for example, Amazon.com. Let's go to Amazon.com. Here you go. So Amazon.com here. So it's nice to browse here. It's pretty fluid. But the refresh rate is not like 120 hertz or more than 60 hertz. This is like, yeah, a little bit more than 60 hertz maybe. Yeah, so please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. I hope you guys liked it. Please comment below what you think about this tablet. This is a great tablet. If it's on sale, $100, $140, it's cheaper than iPad. So the link to buy this is in the video description below. See you guys.